Hi, Kim here again with another WalkFit workout for you. We're just going to start moving through the feet, just lifting the heels up off the ground, right and left. The arms moving. At the moment I'm just lifting the heels, sort of jogger's walk. Trying to keep those knees coming straight forward, not in, not out. Shoulders are relaxed. So remember, all these workouts you need to keep those arms moving. If you're wearing a step counter and you're trying to track your steps, how much you move your arms is up to you. I might add some slightly more complicated arm movements later. If you don't want to, just keep the arms swinging, shoulders relaxed, head up. Maybe pull your tummy in. Let's take it 2 forward, 2 back, 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. We're just warming up for now, so keep it fairly gentle. Just doing a little dip down, so I'm just dipping down, and up, down, and up, down, and up. Let's tap change legs, so left leg, forward, left leg, back, left, left, right, dip, and back, dip, and back, dip. Well done. Don't worry if you haven't got it, just march on the spot, 2 steps forward, 2 back. Let's tap change. Tap change, left, right, left, right, left, right. Hold it here, just march on the spot. Right, left. And the arms up in front. Just marching slowly forward for 4, back for 4. You stay facing me. Whichever you need to do, whatever you need to do to work in the space you have. Be really careful you're not going to bash into the telly, trip over the cat, the kids. I'm lifting the elbows up, feeling that in the back of the arms. Keep those feet moving. Lift in the middle if you want. Oops, I'm coming up onto my toes. It's easy for some people to say. Ooh. Bring it back to the centre, side to side. Move back towards the centre of your space. You're ready to march. And roll the arms. So I'm tapping the toe in front, do whatever feels good for you. Let's take a bicep curl with the arm. Lift the knees a little bit higher if you can. the arms, it's about the steps, but it makes it a bit more interesting. Just take the arms out, out. So I'm moving both arms here because if you keep your watch arm still, it might not register all your steps. Depends how sensitive it is. 2, 1, back, 2, 3. I won't clap too loudly. It doesn't sound too good on the recording. Take it to the corner. Back to me. Bounce to your march. Hair on my face. Oh. Ready for the side step. So, double, single, double, singles, doubles, singles, double. Hold it here. Just keep those feet moving side to side. Try and get rid of that hair that's in my eyes. Try and keep moving. Maybe a little bit faster now. Bring the tempo up. Now I'm going to add some arms here that are a little more complex, a little harder, but you're going to bring your heart rate up. If that's too much for you, just swing your arms like I am. Just concentrate on the feet. Add some arms. Let's go forward and out. So I'm going to make it a little bit harder as we go along. You can stay with the arms like this as I change it. Forward, out, up, and out. Forward and out, forward and up even, forward and out, forward. Oh, you feel it on the back of your arms. 4, 3, 2. Let's just swing the arms out. Let the shoulders relax. We're just letting the shoulders relax here. Swinging the arms gently. Let's take it to the side step. Other side. 8, 7, 6, 4. Other side. For 4, 3, 2, and change. And change. You don't have to add the bounce, obviously. Well done. Not sure if I lost my count there, sorry if I did. Whoa! Let's take those heels across in front. Pushing down with the arm. Row movement, an upright row, and ideally the heel across the body, but if that affects your balance, just keep a little heel in front. Let's take it to a toe, so this time in a point. Bring the arm over the head. Whoa! If that doesn't feel good, just keep it as a small point. Back to the heels. Comb the hair, point and toes. Or maybe you think of it as a swimming stroke. You know, I can't remember what that's called. Not particularly good at swimming, me. Take it side step and back. 2 steps and up. 2 steps and reach. 2 steps. John Travolta move, for those of you that are old enough to remember him. Toes out to the side. Keep it low for the fur. Two more, one each side. March it through. Take it wide. Two each side. Tap, tap. Singles. Get those knees as high as you can. Kick back. You stay facing me, just turning round so you can see what I'm doing. If you want to, you can turn around. I'm going to go back the other way. Arms go up and down. Again, if that's too much, you can always just tap a toe behind. Really works your bum. Ah, well done. Let's cool the body down a little bit now. Let those arms swing gently. Let's take back to that jogger's walk, lifting the heels, keeping the arms moving, head up. We're going to come to toe taps in front in a moment with a little point. This time keep the arm lower, so point, point. 4, 3, and out to the side. And behind. Try and keep that back nice and relaxed. Not going back too far with the leg when you go behind. Do whatever feels good for the leg. So it feels better to have opposite arm and leg. That's fine too. A little bit spotty dog. Take it side to side. Well done. Toes in front and point. Side to side. And behind. So you can do both arms in front. Whatever feels best for you in your balance. Keeping that back soft. Side to side. Keep it as small as you need to. If you're running out of puff now, just keep it small. Take the toes in front take the arms to a little swing now. Well done. Let's just take the right foot back. It's a little calf stretch. Both feet pointing forward. Relax the back forward. Maybe stick the hands on the front leg. Watch the position of that back ankle. Not let it turn in. You're wide enough to keep your balance. So if you're struggling with your balance, if you take the legs wider, you're going to get a much better balance on this stretch. Feel that stretch. Also, if you push the hip forward slightly, let the back relax, but feel the stretch forward. You can feel that stretch in your hip as well as in the calf. Very small stretch in the hip for those of us that have tight hips. It's me. And change side, pushing that heel back down. Adjust the foot until you feel that stretch. Take the legs wider if your balance isn't good. You can lean on the leg, the front leg too, that's fine. Well done. Hope you enjoyed today's workout. I will be back again with another workout for you tomorrow. Bye for now.